Welcome back, guys. Today we are drawing the Flash. You knew that already, didn't you? Quick as a flash you are. Anyway, I've drawn him with a little tail here. That's one of my first guidelines, and that's obviously not very true to life, is it? He doesn't really have a tail. Anyway, filling in the details here. That's how it's gone now, see? That didn't last very long after all. But yeah, I like to fill in all the little details here, get my lines right at this sort of stage, rub out anything we don't want in there, as we always do, and generally get the right sort of outline, which I think we have here. So, the Flash, aka Barry Allen. I think that's probably the least heroic real name for a superhero I've ever heard. Can you think of one more mundane than Barry Allen? Anyway, he is quite miraculous with his powers of super speed and being able to withstand stuff that comes at him with super speed. And he can think super quick too. Is that it? It is actually true that his mind works very quickly, so he can process external stimuli quicker. Therefore, when he's running, he can understand what he needs to do to avoid objects or get where he needs to go. But I also like to think that his quick thinking applies to things like making an excuse for something you don't want to do. I can't because I've got to go to the hairdressers. It's very quick thinking. Doing this one a little differently to some of the ones I've done recently, with putting all the base colour down, but a bit of shading at this stage. Sometimes I like to do that. It gives you a bit more of a rounded feel for the base colour, especially if the character you're drawing has a lot of one colour, which this guy obviously does. He is extremely red. He's got one of the coolest outfits, certainly in this sort of DC universe. The red and the gold looks really cool. It's not kind of as dark and moody as Batman, but it's it's vibrant and it's kind of stands out. This video was on my list for this year, which is 2022 for anyone watching in the future, because the film was due to come out, the new Flash film, and it's been put back to 2023. So I thought I may as well just do it anyway because it's a bit of fun, and maybe we'll do another one next year. Finishing touches now, just getting a little bits of detail right, and I think we are pretty much there. He's a lot of fun, isn't he? See you next time.